Today on Tucker Time, I'm going to show you a science experiment on Bernoulli's principle. Have you ever heard of the trick of the egg jumping from one glass to another? We tried it, but we just couldn't get it to work. I thought the egg was too heavy, so I had an idea. I watched videos before of a can jumping out of a mug when you blew on it. So I thought the can was empty, which made it later. Maybe that's what I needed to do with the egg. So I hollowed out an egg and tried it. First, we started with teacups to make it simple. My mom showed me how to do it first. It's not working.
Want to try hairdryer?
We're jumping so much. We did it! Nope, it was a fail. Ready to see how we did with the glass? It took a couple of tries to get it just right. Yes! Nope. We kept trying, and finally, we did it! And the cup is really hot. This trick works because of Bernoulli's principle. Bernoulli's principle states the pressure of fast-moving air on a surface is lower than the pressure below. The pressure difference results in an upward lifting force. Think of a plane's wings. I hope you liked my video today on Bernoulli's principle. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my video. Bye! Thanks for watching Talker Time.